Wisdom Unity, satu bola, lima kecil, nol. Bola bukan dari Fitri. Here we go, here's the next pass, good. Here's the bola. Oh, bola bukan dari Fitri. Here's number 9. Head back. Here's number 18. Oh, that's a passive foul for jersey number 19. Here's number 10. Here's number 10. Right target now. Here we go. Here's number 9. And here's number 15. Bola bukan dari Palembang. Here's number 10. Pass it down. Ooh. Bola bukan dari Fitri. Here's number 9. Pass to here's number 18. Here's number 10. Oh, kita bola bola kita Fitri. Here we go, here's number 9. Shot ball. Push up out, jersey number 5 for Sao Paulo 4. Jersey number 5, first personal foul, first team foul. Here's number 5, right? 2 points. Here's number 9. Traveling violation, bola bukan dari Palembang. Both is provided on court. Here's number 18, Matthew Wilcox. Back again. Odessa, big. Lovely position. Here's the lead down the pass. Chris Hunter, that's good. That will be the first basket of Washington City. We want to do it. And on the line, this is the next pass. We are over the Algeria. And the bounce we go to Algeria goes to number 10. And the Robert Reed is first to Sabi Algeria. Team number 2. Bola video over. Bola video over. Back again. Crossover, cross to the 7. Now bola lagi. Five. Shot to the throw. The pass to goal. Now will be this number 15. This number 15. Boleh disebut sebagai penalti dengan nomor 3. Substitution. Bravo, please, through. Shot is off. Those are five in the air, on the 3 points, violation of the video good. The video passing forward, no search pass, Speaks, now again. Shot off, now 3. We got third, 5 seconds. Jacob, pass it off, no. Let's go. Violation of and pass it to 7-2, only 5 points for the West Coast. Back again to Jacob. Jacob, put up Jerry, short, behind. Left pass, down pass to Lawrence. Slide pass there, he's through.
Taas ni Kuya Tom.
Very good job. 3 over 9. 2 points for 3 27. Taking on the right pass, position number 10. Taking on the 10, and the right position number 5. Still back, and 7-15. Taking on the 19. Good, and number 12, here comes out. Taking on the 88. Drive. 2 points. Position number 3, for the left score around something 4. Right over to the side of the 16. Position number 18. Position number 9. Position number 15, 14. Position number 10 on the left. Makes it off. Position number 9. Pass to the 4. Pass to position number 27. Shot. No. Position number 5. Time out. Out there. Here we go. Position number 9. Position number 9, pass to position number 27, 14. Aguilar, pass to position number 10. Position number 10, on the left, shot, no good. Ball to the left, 7-16. Position number 9. Position number 9. It's a ball. That's the number 29 zero. It's a ball forward. Ball to the left, 7-16. Position number 27. Pass to position number 9. Pass to 37, 39. Pass zero to number 4. Position number 5. Pass to position number 22. And it's got jersey number 10 from the yard. 2 points for jersey number 19 of the yard. I am sorry. Jersey number 18. That is jersey number 27. Good, jersey number 9. Jersey number 9. He went to jersey number. Second shot, under that board. Jersey number 22. Back to jersey number 1, Berkeley. Perez. Back to jersey number 9. Jersey number 9. Oh, service about the bar. Jersey number 22, foul. Foul, jersey number 9. Jersey number 9. First personal foul, second team foul. Substitution. Good shot, home. Jersey number 22. Good shot, it's not good. Second shot. Jersey number 22, no, final rebound. Jersey number 4, back to jersey number 10. Sudah keluar. Mengulang bola yang tersebut diserang jersey number 10. Jersey number 10. 2 points. Jersey number 10. Jadi besar. Mendoza. Foul jersey number 4. Jersey number 4. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Nice job. Foul, jersey number 3. Jersey number 3 comes up foul for East. First personal foul, third team foul. Good shot for jersey number 18 before. First shot's not good. Second shot. Rebound by jersey number 4. That's jersey number 10. Jersey number 10, the side. Jersey number 10. Jersey number 10, jersey number 4. Foul. Foul, jersey number 6 from 17. Jersey number 6, first personal foul. Third team foul. Brian 73. Here we go. Jersey number 9, back to jersey number 6. Jersey number 6, balik number 9. Number 9, still has a couple of defense. Foul. Foul, jersey number 6 from 17. Second personal foul. Fourth team foul. Jersey number 8, balik ke bola. Rebound, jersey number 10. Jersey number 19, drive. Rebound for jersey number 4, jersey number 4. Jersey number 1, jersey number 10. Jersey number 10. Jersey number 10, jersey number 4, jersey number 4, back to two. No good, number 6. Jersey number 6, jersey number 6. Jersey number 6, jersey number 10, jersey number 10, drive, 2 points. Jersey number 24, 32-12. Laos and Jersey. Jersey number 9, jersey number 8, jersey number 4. Now again, jersey number 8, jersey number 8, jersey number 3 and shot, jersey number 3, jersey number 9. Brian will have the final score. Shot to shoot.
Wala na tubig yan?
Jersey number 10. Jersey number 10. Pass jersey number 8. Rebound. Oh, last number 10 foul. Foul, jersey number 18. Jersey number 18. First personal foul, penalty situation. First shot on jersey number 16. First shot is not good. Second shot. Jersey number 8. Jersey number 8. Foul. Foul. Jersey number 6. Jersey number 6. Third personal foul. Penalty situation. Substitution. Second shot from jersey number 8. Number 15. That's good. Oh, jersey number 18. Yeah, that's a kind of jersey number 10. That's good. 2 points for the final score. Jersey number 22. Jersey number 22. That's the score. 3 points for the final score. Jersey number 14. What is your shot? Jersey number 15. That's good. Jersey number 19. That's jersey number 13. Jersey number 15. Jersey number 15. Jersey number 15. Jersey number 15. Correct. Foul, jersey number 6. Jersey number 6. Jersey number 6, first personal foul, penalty situation. That is something. Ready for shot, jersey number 19, the ball first. Shot is good. Second shot. There's a shot over the board. Another shot over the board. Substitution. Here's number 14 and here's number 4 out. Next game we have 3 shots. 4 minutes. Here's Brown. Here's number 14. Back to here's number 6. Here's number 6. Back to here's number 14. Drive over the board. Oh, number 39. Jersey number 19 is Silver Sapphire Boy. Jersey number 6, pass to jersey number 22. Jersey number 22. No, number 1 sa top mo. Jersey number 28 ito wala. Pumunta na sa number 20. Wala pa kami yung kusay. Silver Sapphire 57 seconds. Traveling violation. Pagpupot ang sa Bus 50. 53 seconds. Here we go. Take a forward. Last two. Jersey number 14. Jersey number 14. Pass to here. 2 points. Jersey number 6. Jersey number 6, that's jersey number 14. Jersey number 14, that's good. Jersey number 22. Jersey number 22, Pwede Paul. Paul, jersey number 14. Paul, jersey number 14 from St. Pete. Jersey number 14 first, jersey number Paul, penalty completion. Good shot, Paul, jersey number 22. Third shot is not good. Second shot. Jersey number 18. For the traveling violation, ball with the service 18 seconds in the second quarter. Jersey number 1, jersey number 15, jersey number 15. 13 seconds. Alright, 9 seconds. Thank you, that's two. Jersey number 24 seconds. Jersey number 24 to the foul. Foul, jersey number 13. Jersey number 13 for 73 is second personal foul penalty situation. 2 seconds remaining. Here's number 22 first shot. Not good. Another shot. Next shot. So here's number 22. Jersey number 88. Jersey number 88. That's jersey number 8. Jersey number 8. Baru mempunyai sepuluh gol. Here you go. Jersey number 18. Oh. Aguilar pass to jersey number 88. Ano pass to jersey? Oh, balik kay jersey number 88. Pass to Aguilar. Aguilar. Pass to jersey number 1. Ngunit ang sungkit tayo ng foul. Foul, jersey number 15 foul. Got a shot. First shot is good. Second shot. Here we go. Jersey number 19 to the forward. Sige mga experiment sa foul forward. Right. No. Tinalo. Jersey number 16. 2 points. Balik to the starting 15. Jersey number 28. Mendoza. Pass to jersey number 9. Balik kay Mendoza.
No. Jersey number 88. Jersey number 88. Pass to jersey number 8. Jersey number 8. Run. 2 points from jersey number 8. Jersey number 9. Jersey number 9. Still by jersey number 8. Ala! Balang pupunta sa ballot 4. Jersey number 88. Pass. Ano mapasa? Kay jersey number 8. Jersey number 1. Pass to jersey number 8. Jersey number 8. Mapasa kay Aguilar. Aguilar. No good. Jersey number 21. Jersey number 13. 19. Driver, jersey number 9. 2 points to jersey number 9. Jersey number 88. Jersey number 88. Drive for 2. No. Another rebound. Penalty back. Jersey number 88. Pa rin. Drive. Another no. Rebound to jersey number 16. Drive. No. Kapupunta na sa Agustin 3. Jersey number 19. Is still. That's on foul for jersey number 8. Jersey number 8. Pass. Still. Jersey number 1. Jersey number 1. Pass to jersey number 8. 15 on the shot clock. Jersey number 1. Drive. 2 points. 44 to 20, naman sa ballot 4. Mendoza. Mendoza. Pass to jersey number 9. Balik kay Mendoza. Mendoza. 42. No. Kanyang bumata. Di mo na Aguilar. Aguilar. Katalang tao sa jersey number 8. Line break na Aguilar. Aguilar. No. Rebound by Santos Nindri. Oh, 2 points from jersey number 9. Jersey number 8. Jersey number 8. Pass to jersey number 88. Balik kay jersey number 8. Back to jersey number 88. Libre. 3 points from jersey number 88. Ready for sub. Dadalang ng rebound mula sa Sampalan 4. Jersey number 88, there again, no. Pass jersey number 1. Drive from 2, no. Diego kay Mendoza. Jersey number 19. Jersey number 19. Top ball. Diego kay Aguilar. Aguilar na ninimigay. Jersey number 16. Jersey number 16. 2 points. 49 to 22. Mendoza, 4-3. Not good. Diego kay jersey number 16. Balikan lagi Aguilar. Aguilar pa yun. Grabe. Jersey number 19. Aguilar. Here we go. Jersey number 9. That's good. Balik sa kanya. Bola pupunta. 10 to shoot. Eight to shoot. Again, bola. Bola 4. This is the ball. Jersey number 88. Pass to jersey number 10. Jersey number 10. Pass to jersey number 4. Another to Aguilar. Aguilar drive. 2 points from jersey number 19. Aguilar. Ready for stop. Jersey number 9. Jersey number 9. Pass to. Traveling violation. Bola mapupunta sa Sampalan 4. Stop si Tutoy. for jersey number 1. Jersey number 9. Jersey number 9. Drive no good. Battle of the rebound. Pumunta sa power 4. Jersey number 88. Sorry, joke lang. Jersey number 4. To Aguilar. Long 2, no good. Jersey number 14, long 2. Pass to jersey number 10. Jersey number 10. To jersey number 14 back. Jersey number 14, 2 shot, 2 good, 2 shot, 2 good. 2 daw. Jersey number 10. Jersey number 10. Jersey number 22. Jersey number 22. Jersey number 9. Back to jersey number 17 right here. In and out. Back to jersey number 29, door. 40. Aguilar drive, 2 points. To jersey number 19, Aguilar, 59 to 22. Jersey number 19. Jersey number... jersey number 18, Ramos. Jersey number 10. Battle ng Liga sa pupunta. Wala na. 160.
There's jersey number 6, with the leather. Pass to jersey number 8, back to jersey number 6. Jersey number 14. Number B, jersey number 14. Pass to jersey number 10. Jersey number 22, drives. Number B, dribble by jersey number 14. To jersey number 4. Ball deflected. Jersey number 17. There's the Mesa, foul by Rich Michael. Jersey number 10, Mr. Release. Second personal foul, Sigur, number 1. Short feature for jersey number 14. First try. No good. Second try for jersey number 14. No good again. Jersey number 10. Pass to jersey number 4. To jersey number 3. No good. We will pass jersey number 4. Pass to jersey number 14. To jersey number 10. Fake. Drives. From downtown. Ball is stolen again. Jersey number 4. Layup. No good. We will pass jersey number 9. Side up again. 2 points. Jersey number 6. Pass jersey number 8. Ginaldo. Pass Manalo. Jersey number 14. Jersey number 14. No good. Jersey number 10. Ginaldo. Jersey number 8, layup no good. Number 1, jersey number 13, pass jersey number 22. Jersey number 4, drives, no good. Jersey number 14, middle level. Jersey number 8. Using some points. Here's 1 hour.
Manalo attack. No good. Jersey number 8, pass to jersey number 6, block for jersey number 8. Jersey number 28. Short, you are about jersey number 3, 2 points. Jersey number 6, Manalo. 3 to shoot. Jersey number 6, jersey number 88. 2 points. Jersey number 6, Manalo. Jersey number 14. Final shot, bro. Two points. Jersey number 14. Pass, jersey number 6. Jersey number 29. Final shot, bro. Jersey number 17. 5, rubber shot, bro. Jersey number 17. No good. We got ball jersey number 6. After jersey number 20. Jersey number. We go again. Jersey number 6. Jersey number 20. 2 points. Jersey number 17. Jersey number 27, no move. 10 on the shot clock, jersey number 6. 2 points. Jersey number 88. Jersey number 8. Drives, no good. We got by jersey number 16. No good again. We got by jersey number 29. Jersey number 27, jersey number 17. Now good, we will guard jersey number 28. Jersey number 88, drives from downtown. 15. Number 1, jersey number 8. The jersey number 80. No good. Jersey number 24. Jersey number 24. The rest start. There's an substitution. Substitution. Ready for timeout. Jersey number 16, 2 points. Jersey number 6. 15 on the shot clock. Double. Timeout, little guys. Jersey number 18, drive 2 points. 18 ba? Sabi mo 18. Ang rin mo jersey number 2 points. Uy, grabe yun. Grabe. Ano yun? Pumasok. Uy, grabe. Grabe. One. La, grabe. 2 points.